When our calculator does not have a graphing function on it, we have some options, and the one that I prefer is called Desmos, and it's found online at desmos.com. And so you just go to the website, and I'm in Mozilla, just so that you know that, but you just click on Start Graphing. And if you're going to do something in Trig, you want to go over here and make sure that you're either in the radians or the degrees. So it depends on, which one you want to be graphing in and which one that you're using for your unit circle. You want to make sure that you're in the appropriate section there. So radians or degrees, so check that out first. If I opted for degrees, let's think about this for a minute. If I opted for degrees on the unit circle go from 0 to 360. So I would do this. I could do this. I could put 0 here, and I could put 360 here. I might even want to do 365 so that I could see all of it on my screen just as I'm looking at it. I could even go from negative 360 to positive 360, but you want to look at that and make sure that you can see it all. And step is where you can see, like over here it's going from 50 to 100. Maybe I want to do 15 so that it'll go by 15 degrees as I look at it. And on my y-axis, if you've done your reading, you know that sine and cosine go from -1 to +1. So I'm going to put -1 to +1 on here just to look at it. So I've got this here. It's got my 0 to 360. If I did negative 360 to see it all on the screen, makes things a little bit bigger, and you can see it's got more gaps between it, and you can see it just a little bit better. So play around with it so that you see what you want to see. So if I go over here and I graph y equals sine x, you can see your sine function that's here just like it showed up on the calculator. And on the calculator, he showed you in the video that I posted about how to get a table in Desmos. If you want a table, you just click this convert to table, and notice it's filled in by -2, -1, 0. That's these little points right here. If I want it to go by the degree measures on my unit circle, maybe I would put a 0 there and it would plot that, and then maybe I would do the 30 and the 45 and the 60. Notice what it's doing. It's graphing the ones that are on my unit circle. So I could put 90 here. I could put another one. I could put, let's see, 90 plus 30 would be 120. And I could just build a table that way. So this looks just like the one that you see on the calculator. It's just in Desmos. So this is an option for you if you don't have a graphing calculator.